All right, so we got another product from Vevor. This is for a bucket bale spear. All right, so here's the model number, WBS-015, and some more information there. 40 kilograms. All right, so the first thing I noticed was some hose clamps, and that really surprised me. So I'm pretty sure everything is in here. We're still going to unbox everything right now, and hopefully... Now we got the spear. We go. So this fits on here nicely, and I think this is going to prevent the bucket from warping or bending here in the middle. That is about 2 feet, maybe a little bit more. And now we're going to throw the chain around the bucket through this through the inside of this pipe here, support and bucket, wrap it around and put our binder. All right, so this center spike here sticks out 33 inches. These are about 15 inches. Center to center from here is about 27 and a half. And